I am at Bandra Reclamation, at the Met Gardens. Children are playing around here. I've not been keeping too well, so I've taken a short walk. Normally I walk from here, from my house. I'm fine, Archie. I walk from my house to Chapel Road. And if my health was okay, then I'd go right up to Good Luck Mehboob Studios and back to Bandra Bazaar. But today I've just met Ranjit Dhaya. He's completing his painting of Dharamji, Dharminder Saab. He was in Haryana, his father was not well. He and Shubham, my both friends. So I had a cup of tea with them. Had a cup of tea with them, and now I'm here in the garden. My health is really bad. And I'll visit the cardiologist after some time, after a few. At the moment, because of the change of weather, the heat and the humidity, it's affecting my moods. This is the Met Gardens. This is the gate of the General Arun Kumar Vaidya Municipal Garden. You won't believe it. It does not have a lock. It does not have a security. This is the problem with BMC. It is the worst institution in Mumbai. They have so much of money, but they are scroungers. If you come with me to Bandra, I will show you places where the garbage has not been removed for more than 10 days. And I'm not a social activist. I'm just a senior citizen. See this? This is the garden. This is Arun Kumar Vaidya Kridangan Garden. There's no security, nobody here. On that edge, you can see, I don't know if you can see, are the two tennis courts, which in the evening the children play cricket and football. One thing is really good, that Muslim women have started walking and understand the importance of health. Earlier it was not the case. So there is absolutely no security since the lockdown. The last lockdown. The security contract, I believe, had ended. So the guy who was handling the security had been removed. And everybody, even now if you see, there is no mask, no social distancing. I've already informed BMC, the Mumbai police, but who really cares here? Unless it's a vaccine scam. And supposing the vaccine scam, the people were not caught. It's like the stamp case. If Mr. Harshad Mehta was not caught, then what would have happened? Politics in our country is worse than a garbage pile. Luckily, I'm not into it. But you know, there is one thing I'd like to tell you all. The children They have no schools, no colleges. What do you expect them to be? 24 hours in the room. They live in houses. Maybe some of them do live in houses which are 10 by 10. So they need to go out. They need to play. And this is one place which is close to most of the areas in Bandra. I have not gone to the Cart Road Promenade. I have not gone to the Bandra Reclamation Promenade. I have been to Bandra Bandstand in the morning. I have not been there in the evening, so I really don't know the situation. I can't talk about it. Those are the cricket nets. Mr. Shamalkar, the coach, used to teach the kids, but I think the coaching has been stopped. The tennis coaching takes place from 5 in the morning till about 9:15. There used to be an evening batch, but that's been stopped because of the pandemic and the lockdown. So this is the thing. Now I will move from here. Will switch my camera. So this is the situation. Now I'll show you something. I'll switch the camera again. This is the garden. That is the gate. Yes, yeah. He got caught. There was a garbage pile near Met. I reported it. For 10 days or 7 days they didn't remove it. And finally they did. I just thanked them. This is outside the... We'll just see this. I'm not into any political party. I'm a senior citizen. When I see all this, I mean, you just see this. This is outside the gate of a municipal park. So you imagine, and this BMC is the most careless, especially the H ward. They have such a poor management. And those people heading the H ward should really be shown all this. I wish they come to me and I'll take them for a tour. And then they have the audacity to ask me, where is this? They really don't know Bandra at all. So this is the park. And you saw the garbage out there. This. Even the residents don't really care. So this is Bandra Reclamation, one of the worst areas in terms of civic sense and hygiene. These are, from here to my house is about 5 minutes, 7-8 minutes. There is the Sunni mosque ahead, and there is another lane that goes from here, where I have a cobbler friend called Rajan. I sometimes sit with him. He's a very good guy. He just returned from his hometown. And this is another park. This is another park that has no lock, no security, free for all. Hi Darshan, how are you? I hope you remember me.
You like it? You like it?
Now I'll show you something which will This is the park. This is known as General Arjun Vaidya, General Arun Vaidya Park. Now I show you We have a corporator, we have a MLA, we have a what you call MP. The MP is never seen. I have never seen her. And see this. See this. This is the worst area, and the residents of these buildings, they don't care. See the way they have kept their own building. See this. See this. And this is next to the garden and near the transit camp. See? Nobody will show you the Bandra that I show you. Bandra is not just Pali Hill, Turner Road, Mount Mary. Bandra is Bandra Reclamation, Chium, Bandra, Bazaar, Baroda Road, Chapel Road. These are Bandra. Just see this. I mean, I am the only photographer in Bandra who shoots garbage as fine art. So, you have seen my Bandra. This is a lane. I'll take you all guys next time. This is all transit camp. This will lead you towards Bandra Bazaar. These are the back lanes. This is Bandra Reclamation. All in all, Bandra is a very peaceful place. See this. This is another lane that leads towards Joe the Trumpet Maker, Bazaar Road. Now, right in that back you see the white building. That is the Sunni Mosque of Bandra Reclamation. The area near the mosque is also filthy, uncared for. And that's another brick in the wall. I have a problem. After some time, I am unable to save my Instagram live unless I stop it now. But then I want you all to meet a very good friend of mine. He's a cobbler called Rajan. And then after you meet him, I will switch this off. He's a very good guy. He just changed my list. This is another transit camp lane. There are many lanes. The transit camps, if you all don't know, when buildings are demolished, genuine buildings, then the people come to stay in the transit camp and they live for 30 years, 40 years without getting a place in return. This is another lane. So, I have lived in a transit camp lane at Mud Island. So this is the Sunni Mosque. So now I will introduce you to Rajan. Jai Bhim. This is Rajan. He is my very good friend. वो लेस बहुत हाँ अभी भी छोटा है लेकिन अभी चलाता हूँ मैं थोड़ा हाँ लेके आना क्योंकि बांध ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ मैं निकाल के इसमें डाल देगा हाँ ठीक है तो राजन आपका मुल्क कौन सा है जौनपुर नहीं जौनपुर नहीं मध्य प्रदेश के He's a very good guy and I respect him a lot. He is very, very good man. अभी तुमको पूरी दुनिया देख रही है. आज कुछ धंधा पानी किया है क्या? अच्छा. इधर आ, इसको ऐसा पकड़, हिलाना मत, बंद मत करना. इधर आओ. So this is Rajan and this young boy, handsome boy, is shooting my video. Rajan is a very good man. Jai Bhim. Come, I take care of this. What happened? You're so shy or what? This is the Bandra boys. Now this is a back lane. This will lead to Bandra Bazaar. So I'll show you a very unusual Bandra. These are old houses and the Kathiawadis. This is most dangerous boys of Bandra are the boys on the cycle. Most dangerous. Hi, how are you? Now, how are you, madam?
Fine.
Now, this is a very amazing place. I shot it earlier during the feast of Lady Velankani. Lady Velankani has a feast over here and it is celebrated every year. Because of the pandemic, you are not having it. How old is this?
Well, I don't know, but this maybe 35 years.
35 years.
I was married and my son was very small. He was that time here.
Okay.
He wanted, his wish was
Huh?
to break. His wish was to get them.
Okay. But this was there when you came, when you got married and came.
No. After coming, I.
Okay. Then you built it. You built it.
No, all of us like.
Okay.
After wish.
So this was built by these people. You are East Indian. You are East Indian.
Gilroy Norris.
Gilroy?
Norris.
These are East Indians, the original inhabitants of Bandra. This area was also known as the Gauthen those days. And these are very peaceful people, they don't fight with anybody. And if you come here and see this place, there are Hindus and every different communities come and make a wish over here. And mother,
And it gets filled.
yeah. Thank you very much. So my friends, this is a Bandra which nobody sees. And this is the Black Jesus in ebony. So this is the back lanes of Bandra. And one more thing I tell you about Bandra. Most of the houses, if you come here and if you take the tour along with me, they have a Jesus there, you see. He is a very important part of the ethos and the essence of East Indian living. These were all bungalow type, but now they become 1+2 structures. And Muslims, Christians, Hindus, Dalits, Parsis, Jains, they all live in peace over here. Now this is a back lane. This leads directly to Bazaar Road and it will take you near my house. You can't miss a cross. This is another cross. This is rebuilt in 1971. So this is Bandra. That building and this building, they belong to the Kalidas store. This is where I stay. That, if you see, is the Khoja Jamaat Khana of the Aga Khanis, Ismaili Khoja. This is a building that belongs to the Kalidas. So, Jitesh, call him. Acha, okay. So this is a Unani oil. So this is the Aga Khani Jamaat Khana, and that out there is a restaurant. That is the headquarters of the RSS of Bandra, or the Bajrang Dal, or the VHP, whatever you call it. You can see the flag over there. Jitesh, Jayesh. Now this is the most famous store. It's about 100 and I don't know how many years, 100 plus hundreds. And this is Mr. Jayesh. This is Mr. Jayesh of Kalidas. This is a chemist shop. Ayurvedic chemist shop. Anything you need. He is the gentleman that introduced me to Kalonji oil. My sugar has come down to almost normal. And you have some other things to say.
Yeah.
You have other medicines also.
Yeah, we have got all herbal and natural medicines,
Okay.
which are very helpful for all types of ailments.
What made you go into this? You were actually part of a provision store.
No, we were into this since years now. It was our ancestral
100 years
business.
old. 100.
We were dealing in Ayurvedic medicine over the years.
Okay.
Now we have increased and specialized in this.
Okay. But you have done a good job because, I mean, you're helping people. That is the most important thing.
That is the
This,
idea basically.
he's a very good man. He and his family, they do yoga and they are very peaceful people. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Your brother is a very dear friend of mine. That is his son over there. This is Instagram Live.
Okay.
So this is Bandra Bazaar. This is my friend. He sells fruits. He always gives me a discount. So this is Bazaar Road. This is Akshay Kumar. He is not a film star, but his family has been selling sprouts. How many years? About more I think, more. He's been selling sprouts here. You see this? Very, very healthy. Actually, I take the sprouts from Akshay and his auntie for the Java sparrows I have. And that is samosa and shop. Bharana. This is my friend Bablu. He always wanted to be in my video. So here, this is Instagram Live. And these guys are very good. They sell fresh stuff, healthy stuff. And you can see all this jalebi. But he doesn't give me a discount, never. No, really. See? This is the most special dish over here. I normally buy samosa from him. He has got good samosas. He's got kachori. So, now you've seen a part of Bandra Bazaar Road. This is Bandra Bazaar Road.